Hey guys, for those of you who wanted my how-to channel, this is it. This is how to Zippo trick. As you can see here, I got a new Zippo rider. I'm going to be starting a collection soon. This is the second one I've ever got. I got it at Walmart. So I'm going to be showing you 3 or 4 simple Zippo tricks. The first one we're going to be doing is open zip, just like that. This one is super simple. All you have to do is squeeze down, and when you do that, you twist your hand. Yes. But you have to put a considerable amount of pressure, otherwise it'll do that, or it'll just go kitchen. That's it. Okay. I can't show you what it's like to fail, apparently. Like that. Okay. So it's just thumb on the bottom, and you can do 2 or 3 fingers. Most of the pressure is going to be needed to be put at this part. So just put, to your right, depending on how you're doing it, or, to your body if you're holding it like I am, and you just squeeze. I'm not very good at doing it in place. I'm better at twisting my hand when I do it. Normally you don't throw it, but yeah, like that. Now, it takes a little bit of practice. It'll hurt your padding of your fingers and your thumb. It still hurts mine. I just learned these tricks, so yeah, beware of that. It's good to rub them every once in a while. And it's better to do this with a more textured Zippo. My other one, it was, oh, I have it right here. I have it right here. It was too smooth and slick to do this trick. So I got a more textured one at Walmart. It cost me uh, 12 $12, I think. So yeah, it's a lot easier to do it with the thin and with the, with all like this textured, because it's harder to rub your fingers across it. So, and you can pause and try that trick over and over until you get it. I would say unpause it when you get it 2 out of 3 times or so. You know, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's move on. 1. Never mind, let's not do that one. Like, it's a lot harder for me to do it like that. But, like, keeping it like that instead of like that. Okay, I don't know how to light it when you're doing when you're flipping it open. I don't know how to light it yet. So that's the thing. The second one is basically the opposite. I'm gonna take it, and flip it upside down, like that. This one is a lot easier. So when you squeeze down, you wrap your thumb around the lid, and you just slide these down, and you can like give a little flip that way to help, you know. But you would not want to do any of these tricks with a fancy Zippo. That's why I got a little crap one from Walmart, because they will ruin your lid. My lid, whenever it starts to get a little bit out of place, like, I don't know if you could tell, but it's a little bit, out of place on this side. I would just put one finger here, another finger here, and hold it like this, and I'll push the lid back into place a little bit, and it helps a little bit. And the third and final trick, it's the hardest one for me to do, it is that. Okay, so the lid, it goes into here, in the palm of your hand, fingers around the bottom, like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze, twist, and it's going to flip down like that. It's not incredibly hard, but it's kind of hard, like that. Like it's possible. Sometimes yeah, there we go. So once you get, well, first you want to get the one right before this, 2 or 3 times in a row. And this one 2 or 3 times in a row. And then I'm going to show you something that I am completely awful at. Okay, now I'll give you time to pause it and do whatever. Okay, now I'm going to show you the finger roll. That's roll between the fingers. So what you're going to do, I'm going to show you with both hands. I'm awful at it. I'm always dropping it whenever I do this, like that. I'll show you it in both hands. In both perspectives. Oh, I'm even less coordinated with my left hand, so that one I'm just like, just cut off. Okay, that is your Zippo trick tutorial. Like if you want to see more videos like this, or like if you want to see more how-to videos, I should say, comment pineapple, or no, don't do that. Just comment if you want to see more Zippo tutorials. I'll try to learn more of those. And I moved where I'm going to be recording from now on, so that's cool. I tried to use my blanket as a background, but it's not working very well. I'm in short. Yep. Sword hanging up the back. I have a green skull and head wig in the background. And there's my bookshelf. My safe with a backpack I take whenever I go out in the woods and everything. And right here, it's got some light bulbs and it's done. TV gun. You can't see it, but I got a broken crossbow bullet that I accidentally broke. And yeah, that's a little boarding bullet. So yeah, well, have a good day and subscribe if you like.